Hey guys, I'm Chase, and today I just want to give you a peek into some of the things which have been going on over at Wormhole. To be honest, right now the cross-chain environment can be pretty painful for the average user. The bridge space is a mess of incompatible assets and wrapped tokens, and it feels like you need to go to 3 or 4 websites just to get like the most basic things done. Now, the Wormhole team is keenly aware of these problems and has set out to solve them. The most important thing to know about Wormhole is that while it has a token bridge, its real power ultimately lays in its core layer, which allows developers to send any message they'd like to any blockchain in the Wormhole ecosystem. So really briefly, let me show you what's possible when you combine both the core layer and the token bridge. This following demo is from a reference example of a cross-chain swap that's been in the Wormhole core repository for a couple months now. It's as simple as entering an amount in the top field and then approving exactly one transaction. Then you just wait for a few blocks to get mined and, ta-da, you're all set. You have converted your Ethereum into BNB, and it's real BNB. In your BNB wallet, it's not a wrapped token. It's the real thing, and you only had to do like 3 button clicks to make it happen. But I think it's also important to note here that cross-chain swaps are just an example of a much larger class of problems in DeFi. Every user needs to send tokens from one chain to another, but then afterwards you also actually do something with those tokens. You might take the tokens and stake them, or maybe you'll go use a loan protocol or something like that, but the point here is that the problem which really needs to be solved is remote contract invocation, not just cross-chain swaps. And that is exactly what Wormhole's contract-controlled transfer feature sets out to do. You send the tokens, and you also send instructions for what to do with them as well. So if any of this interests you, stay posted, because I plan to post another video soon which goes over a couple of different models of how cross-chain swaps and similar applications work in the Wormhole ecosystem. But in case you just can't wait, there is a link in the description for the source code to the demo I just showed, and there's also a link to the testnet deployment of Wormhole's UST Highway cross-chain swap. The UST Highway is a really cool cross-chain swap implementation which leverages not only contract-controlled transfers, but also the fact that Wormhole is the official token bridge for UST. And don't worry, there will absolutely be more information about the UST Highway in the future. Anyway, that's just meant to be a brief chat about some of the things happening at Wormhole. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.